Hey guys, so I'll be jumping straight into the video. Like the title of this video already says, this is an eyebrow tutorial and I'll be showing you guys how I outline my brows, fill them in and also conceal them. So I'll be using my left eyebrow as a sample or an exemplary, whatever. So the first thing I actually do is to brush out my eyebrows. This mascara wand is actually dry because the mascara in that container is finished. So I tend to utilize the mascara wand with brushing up my eyebrows. Then I'll be dipping my powder brush into a powder. This is just a random powder. I just pick up any powder at home and just use it. But if you have a setting powder or any of that, then you can actually use that. But this is just a random powder, and I'll be placing that all over my eyebrow. And why I actually do this is because at the end of the day, I tend to get oily around my eyebrow zone, and this process kind of like contain the oiliness that my eyebrow section kind of produce. So next up, I'll be using this Zaron eyebrow definer. I'm sorry it looks so nasty, but yeah, I've had this for years, so that actually defines why it looks so nasty. And it comes with an angled brush, so I didn't literally have to have an extra brush for this process. So I went on to place a lotion on the back of my palm and dipping the brush into the lotion. Then I went ahead to use the brush to take some products of that powdery eyebrow definer. I don't know if this is making sense. Then I'll just follow the outline of my natural brows. I don't really go overboard or do anything so crazy. I love to have my eyebrows look natural. Yeah, I don't really do anything so but so I'm using this to like outline the under and the top part of my eyebrows. Sorry if I'm bending down frequently, but yeah, I just need to like pick up my products and get back into the video. So I'm using this brown pencil. This pencil is kind of popular. Every lady who uses makeup in Nigeria kind of knows this pencil. It's just a random pencil. It's sold for 100 naira here in Nigeria. So I'm using this to fill in my eyebrow, and I'm sorry if you're not seeing the whole technique how I actually do fill in my brows, but I'm just using light strokes to like filling my eyebrows and all of that. So I'm so sorry. I thought I was actually at the right part of the camera, but this is what happens when you film with your phone, and yeah, you don't tend to like see anything you're doing. You're just hoping it comes out properly. Yes, and this is just what I do, filling the brows and all of that. Then next up, I'll be going back with that mascara wand to like brush out the products I applied on my eyebrows and my natural hair, and that is what I'm doing right now. And I think there's still a little mascara product on the brush. I don't really know, but yeah, so that is what I did there. Then next up, I'll be going with this angle brush to conceal, and I'm using my foundation. This is a Kiss Beauty foundation, a shade that is a little bit lighter than my actual shade. As you can see, I'll be using this to conceal and clean up the under part of my eyebrows. Yep, I started off with the inner corner, then I moved towards the outer corner, just like that. Now I don't really use this much concealer on norm to clean up my eyebrows because I'm not really big on cleaning up the eyebrows this way. Yeah, but I'm just showing you guys for those who are starting off or who don't really have an idea on how to like clean up their eyebrows and any of that. Yeah, and I'll be using my finger to like clean up whatever excess products I had on my eyes. Yep. So next up, for the top part, to clean up the top part, I used a concealer that is that shade, and this is the classic beauty, I think classic foundation. Yeah, and I'll be using this to like clean the top part of my eyebrows to make it look neat, and any of those, any word you want to use to classify this actually. So yeah, that is what I am using right now, and I'm just cleaning the top part of my eyebrows, and I'll be using my middle finger again to like clean that excess foundation. You can actually use a concealer or any of that, but I just don't want to use concealer in this video because I feel like, I don't know, this is beginner friendly. So yeah, every beginner has to like have a foundation before they can move on to having concealer. Then I went back with that mascara and mascara brush again to like brush up the hairs and all of that. So next up, I went back with the brush and the powder to dust up and make the whole process a little bit matte. Yeah, and that is that for this video.